Helios 3, elevating drone inspection for today's digital world. In the fast-paced digital era, drone-based inspection is not just a technology for the future, it's a necessity for today. The Swiss team at Flyability believes in meeting the demands of our digital world, and they've introduced a product that perfectly aligns with this vision, the Helios 3 drone. This compact drone, measuring 19 inches wide and 15 inches high, is equipped with fly-aware technology, leveraging hardware from NVIDIA, LiDAR, and GPS to provide a real-time 3D model of the environment. With 12 minutes of operation on a single charge, the Helios 3 ensures confident and smooth operation, even for inexperienced pilots. All collected data is seamlessly stored in a specialized program for easy analysis. Ucoolity 3.0. Stay cool, anytime, anywhere. For those who love to stay cool in every sense of the word, Ucoolity 3.0 introduces a vest that promises noticeable cooling effects in just 3 seconds. Weighing about a pound, this vest is designed not to interfere with your activities, whether you're playing sports, walking, or working. It disassembles for easy washing, and the built-in battery lasts approximately 3 hours. Tested at 80 degrees Fahrenheit, the vest can cool the air down to an impressive 47 degrees Fahrenheit. Priced at $100, it's a must-have for fishermen, road workers, tourists, couriers, anyone spending a significant amount of time outdoors. ROG Smart Lens. Elevate your gaming experience. Step into a new dimension of gaming with the ROG Smart Lens, a revolutionary product designed for gamers. These smart lenses bring augmented reality, AR functions to your gaming experience by tracking eye activity and head movements. With a built-in blue light filter for eye protection and support for smart gestures, these lenses offer an immersive gaming experience. While initially introduced as an April Fool's joke, the overwhelming response suggests that the idea is not only technically feasible, but also highly demanded. Searzall Pro, precision in flame cooking. For those who demand precision in their cooking experiments, the Searzall Pro is the ultimate manual grill blowtorch attachment. Based on 7 years of research and feedback from professional cooks, this patented design with palladium-coated mesh ensures even distribution of heat. From heating up pizza to cooking shrimp, the Searzall Pro eliminates any smell of burning and quickly heats up and cools down. Weighing about a quarter pound, it's a portable solution for your culinary adventures, priced at $75. WAM-V, the versatile American boat. Embark on a unique journey with the WAM-V, an American boat with spider-like legs that make it remarkably versatile. The WAM-V 33, fitting into a 20-foot container, is easily transportable and configurable. With a top speed of 24 miles per hour and a range of 279 miles, it's suitable for both civilian and military tasks. Remote control and autonomous mode capabilities, along with the option for internal combustion or electric engines, make the WAM-V a cutting-edge maritime solution. Ultimate Hacking Keyboard, tailored for professionals. Hungarian innovation brings us the Ultimate Hacking Keyboard, a tool crafted for professionals, offering flexibility through modular additions like a touchpad or trackball, and customizable layouts for Windows, Linux, or OS X. This keyboard is a tinkerer's dream. The accompanying Agent app provides extensive options for macros, keyboard shortcuts, and more. The addition of a natural beechwood palm rest adds comfort to functionality with the UHK V2 keyboard, priced at $320, and the palm rest at $75. Netina Shoes, where fashion meets functionality. Israeli designer Netta Goldberg introduces a collection of unconventional shoes blending fashion with functionality. With models designed to hold tampons, matches, or even charged gadgets, these shoes aim to be both ludicrous and useful. The idea is not just about practicality, but also fostering positive interactions, as each pair comes with a barcode, leading to an app for continued communication. Fingerbot Sense, make your appliances smart. Transform your ordinary appliances into smart devices with Fingerbot Sense. This versatile product can be installed on any gadget, allowing you to press buttons, flip switches, and perform tasks effortlessly. Control it through an app, remote control, or voice commands, and even integrate it with Alexa and Siri. Priced at $25, Fingerbot Sense is a simple yet effective solution to add smart functionality to your everyday devices. MOPTro PICK, warehouse efficiency redefined. From India comes the MOPTro PICK, a solution designed to streamline warehouse operations. With versions like the PICK Snail, PICK Universal, and PICK F, tailored for different industries, this vehicle aims to enhance order picking efficiency. Boasting a 19-mile range on a single charge, a payload capacity of 176 pounds, and a top speed of over 6 miles per hour, the MOPTro PICK system claims to boost productivity by approximately 30%. cup above. Effortless pest control. Say goodbye to nerve-wracking encounters with spiders and bugs with a cup above. This innovative system simplifies the process of catching and removing unwanted guests. With a box, lid, and a long handle, priced at $35, it provides peace of mind and ease of use. The device's tilting mechanism ensures precise placement, and the foldable aluminum rod makes it compact and convenient. Arduino Explorer Rover, DIY exploration at your fingertips. Created by tinkerer Jan Gromes, the Arduino Explorer Rover is a DIY robot designed for exploration over rough terrain. With a size of 23.6 by 19.7 by 9.8 inches and a weight of 20.9 pounds, excluding batteries, this rover reaches a theoretical top speed of 6 miles per hour. Featuring 6 wheels with independent suspension and motors, Gromes generously shares the assembly process through a series of articles for those eager to embark on their DIY exploration. Reza Baluchi water balloons, turning adventures into charity. Athlete and activist Reza Baluchi introduces a unique project, a hamster wheel-like contraption for covering considerable distances to raise money for charity. Though faced with challenges in previous attempts, Baluchi remains determined to inspire others to chase their dreams. His unconventional approach to charity involves using this innovative device to cover vast distances, showcasing the indomitable spirit of pursuing one's goals.